ClickBank is a popular affiliate network that specializes in digital products like ebooks and software. They offer high commissions and a wide variety of products across different niches. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing network with a vast selection of merchants and products. It's known for its user-friendly interface and excellent reporting tools. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, is one of the largest affiliate marketing networks, offering a broad range of products and brands. They have a reputation for reliability and timely payments. Rakuten Advertising is a global e-commerce platform with an affiliate program that allows you to promote products from various well-known brands. If you have an audience interested in auctions, collectibles, or unique items, eBay's affiliate program could be a lucrative choice. Promote the Shopify platform and earn commissions when people sign up for their e-commerce services. Shopify is a widely used platform, which can lead to high earning potential. If your audience is into handmade or vintage items, Etsy's affiliate program can be a good fit. You earn a commission on sales generated through your affiliate links. ClickFunnels is a popular sales funnel builder, and its affiliate program offers recurring commissions for each customer you refer. If your audience is interested in website hosting and domain registration, Bluehost's affiliate program is a reliable choice. They offer competitive commissions. Walmart has a large online presence, and their affiliate program allows you to promote a wide range of products, potentially tapping into a diverse audience. If you're in a niche related to electronics and tech, Best Buy's affiliate program could be a lucrative option. They offer competitive commissions. Awin is a global affiliate marketing network with thousands of merchants and products. They provide advanced tracking and reporting tools to help you optimize your earnings. To maximize your earnings with these Amazon affiliate alternatives in 2023, consider the following tips. Choose your niche carefully. Select a niche that aligns with your audience's interests and has good earning potential within the affiliate program you choose. Quality content. Create high-quality, engaging content that genuinely helps your audience make informed buying decisions. Diversify your promotions. Use a mix of content types such as blog posts, videos, and social media to promote affiliate products effectively. Track and analyze. Monitor your affiliate marketing efforts using tracking tools provided by the affiliate programs to understand what's working and what's not. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest trends and changes in the affiliate marketing industry to adapt your strategies accordingly. SEO optimization. Invest in SEO to drive organic traffic to your affiliate content, increasing your chances of conversions. Disclosure. Always disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to build trust with your audience. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. It's crucial to build a strong, loyal audience and consistently deliver value to them while promoting products that genuinely align with their needs and interests.